Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Garmin Venu 3S. The latest smartwatch from Garmin packed with features aimed at fitness enthusiasts and lifestyle users alike. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest reviews. The Garmin Venu 3S is Garmin's latest offering in their Venu series, combining sleek design with a robust feature set. Let's break down what makes this smartwatch stand out. First off, let's talk about design. The Venu 3S comes in a compact size with a 41mm case, making it ideal for smaller wrists like mine. It features a stainless steel bezel and a variety of stylish color options, ensuring it looks good whether you're at the gym or in a business meeting. The 1.2-inch OLED display is crisp and vibrant, displaying a range of watch faces and complications. It's easy to read indoors and outdoors, which is crucial for usability. Now, onto the features. One standout is the EKG capability for detecting atrial fibrillation, a feature usually found in higher-end Garmin models. This, combined with improved sleep tracking and even nap detection, makes it a comprehensive wellness companion. Speaking of wellness, Garmin has packed in advanced metrics like the Sleep Coach, which analyzes your sleep patterns including naps, helping you optimize your rest for better recovery. For fitness, it tracks everything from your heart rate to GPS activities with solid accuracy. In terms of smart features, the Venu 3S allows you to take calls, use your phone's voice assistant, and even has onboard music storage for those who like to work out without their phone. Though it lacks LTE, these features are handy for staying connected on the go. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 9 to 10 days with the always-on display off. With it on, you're looking at around 4 to 6 days, depending on your usage. It's great for those who don't want to worry about charging every night. Using the Venu 3S has been a smooth experience overall. Navigation is intuitive, and the Garmin Connect app provides detailed insights into your health data. It's compatible with both iOS and Android, ensuring broad accessibility. So, who should consider the Garmin Venu 3S? If you're into fitness and wellness tracking, want solid smart features without the complexity of LTE, and prefer a stylish, compact design, this could be the smartwatch for you. That wraps up our review of the Garmin Venu 3S. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment below with your thoughts. Also, let us know what other products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.